Good day! Welcome to Mr. Yuhan Pabi. So ito po yung ating unit na Army Armament Combat Master John Wick 3 R601. Yan, so may kasama yung manual. So full license by JAG. Yan, so may kasamang sticker. Magazine capacity 30 rounds. Yan. Yan, so ito po yung ating unit. Full license by JAG, full metal pistol, ambidextrous safety. Naka-staple grip na rin po yan. So may railings, pwedeng lagyan ng laser or flashlight. Then naka-magwell na din po yan. Standard mag release. Naka-serration. Mga markings, TTI logos. Naka-fiber optic, front, and adjustable rear sight. Yan, so naka-ambidextrous safety. Left and right. Adjustable half-up po yan. Yan. FPS niyan ay nasa 330. So check po natin yung actual ng FPS po niya. So cross check po natin mamaya yan. Yan, so may mga markings. Yan, so lagyan natin ng lubricant silicone oil, yung valve, inlet and outer. At syempre lagyan natin yung ating unit ng lubricant silicone oil sa mga moving parts, sa mga outer barrel. Then lagyan natin ng BBs na 0.20 gram. Check po natin yung chrono, yung FPS nitong Combat Master. Yan. Gamit natin ang 0.20 gram. So pasok yung magazine, speaking sounds, kasa, release, chrono check po tayo. Yan siya, may previous po yan na mag and cap. Yan, so chrono check po tayo, always trigger finger out, toy only. 378.9, so lakas. 372. Yan. 371.3. Ang lakas nitong unit natin. Yun. Lakas nitong unit natin na Army Armament R601 Combat Master John Wick 3. Yan. Release natin yung magazine. Once na nag-slide lock, ibig sabihin wala na po siyang BBs or bala. So it's a toy only. Trigger finger out. Gandang unit. Thank you.